Dirty, dirty, can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast, say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty side, dirty, dirty, can y'all really feel me? I got to get bigger. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Dirty side.
Better have my money. Y'all should know me well enough. Better have my money. Please don't call me on my bluff. Pay me what you want me. Ballin' bigger than LeBron. Give me your money. Who you think y'all frontin' on? Like blah blah blah. Louis 13 and it's all on me, nigga. You just bought a shot. Come on, see if you think that you gon' knock me off the top. Shit, your wife in the backseat of my brand new foreign car. Don't act like you forgot. I call the shots. Like blah blah blah. Pay me what you want me. Don't act like you forgot. Better have my money. Better have my money. Pay me what you want me. Better have my, better have my, better have my, better have my, better have my money. Up to Rihanna while the whole club wasted. Every time I drop, I am the only thing you're playing. In a drop top to 100, y'all in my rearview mirror racing. Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Like blah blah blah. Louis 13 and it's all on me, nigga. You just bought a shot. Come across me if you think that you gon' knock me off the top. Shit, your wife in the backseat of my brand new foreign car. Don't act like you forgot. I call the shots. Like blah blah blah. Pay me what you want me. Don't act like you forgot. Better have my money. Better have my money. Pay me what you want me. Better have my, better have my, better have my, better have my, better have my money. Better have my money. Pay me what you want me. Better have my, better have my, better have my, better have my, better have my money.
I should've put you somewhere with no one to find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. You got that body, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk beside you. I'm in that 80 and one of them, so it's different fire. I try to pay all your loans off and got me to drive. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting in front of her living this life. I should've moved your way too close before I caught you all this hype. You wanna be my number one, and I ain't gonna like the main thing. I let you play my number two, you barely made a second. I should've put you somewhere with no one to find you. Mansion out in sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. I know. Cause you got desires. Hey, self-control has never been a thing. Don't think it'll ever if there's a ring with a rock in it. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the rocks in it. How the fuck you keep so many secrets? How you going vegan but still beef on me again? How the fuck you seen so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't come cheap, man. I see it back in church, remember who took it first, and don't you forget it. That you were with, we ain't got back on the shit. I had to tell Eric, go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in six with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. But you got desire. I know. Cause you got desire. I know. Cause you got desire. Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Force getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problem. You say don't be so quick to walk away. Listen, you wanna fuck your body. Time, but I don't mind. Just wanna rock you, girl. I'll have whatever you have. Come on, let's give it a whirl.
Alright you guys, so this is officially the finished look and it's very simple. It's perfect for a cool casual day. So since so many of us are in the house, I thought this would be a cute hairstyle to do with a curly full lace wig from Elva Hair. Shout out to Elva Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful unit. I decided to go ahead and just put my hair up in a ponytail and just do a cute little top up bun. I've been doing a lot of really cute curly bob looks lately and most of them have been 13x4 frontals or they've been closure units or something of that nature, but I haven't done a 360 curly short bob, let alone a full lace wig like the one that I have in today. So this wig is very full, which is one thing that I like because a lot of times when you have full lace wigs, and I know the two may be confusing, typically they can be a little bit on the thinner side depending on the company. So sometimes certain companies, they make the full lace wigs a little bit thinner than I would like, but this company actually did a really good job on this unit and they sent me a very full lace wig and I absolutely love it, you guys. I love the curl pattern with it. I feel like it looks very natural. These are the curls up close. You guys can't really see it that good, but I just kind of have like all of the curls just wrapped up in like a little bun up here. It's like a messy bun. It's not even nothing like too crazy. I did do some cute little swoop little baby hairs on the side. I don't know if I can really call them baby hairs, but we swooped up out here basically. This is what the side looks like. I'm not sure what the back of my hair looks like, but okay. I'm gonna show y'all anyway because whatever. Hopefully you can see. I don't know. But this is the back of my hair. I just put this in here. You probably could see tracks. I don't really know. I don't know if you can see tracks or not, but that's what we're looking like. And I think it looks super natural and super freaking cute. So absolutely love this hair. If you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you guys check out the description box for a direct link to this unit along with all the full details on this unit as far as the density, what type of lace this is, and of course the length. Now I do want to talk about the lace on this unit. Now the lace on this unit isn't bad. I actually did like the lace on this unit for the most part until I got over here. Now when I got over here, I don't know what happened, okay? She wasn't melting the same. So on this side over here, you can definitely see the lace, obviously. And if I didn't have these swoops right here, you would have been able to see the lace over here. You guys kind of saw when I was cutting off my lace what it was giving. On this side though, however, the lace was perfectly fine. You can still see a little bit of the lace here on this side where I have like my sideburns or whatever. But other than that, I think everything else looks pretty doggone good. I kept it kind of like simple today. I didn't really do any like crazy hairstyles because I was like, you know, I haven't done just like a casual look, you know, just something simple. Like I could wear my hair like this and I can wear something dressy, or I can wear something that's more simple. Like if you're just chilling around the house, you know, you can have your hair up like this with some cute little sweatpants, a little crop top, you know, it's a vibe. I love it. And the fact that it's a short unit, like typically with short hair, you don't think that you can do something like this. And because it is a full lace wig, you can actually do 2 ponytails if you wanted to. Put it right down the middle, y'all. And I did do a tutorial recently where I did 2 low ponytails in a zigzag part. If you haven't checked out that video, I'll link that down below. That's another great option for this wig, but instead of doing 2 low ponytails, you can do 2 high ponytails and have the same zigzag part. So if you don't know how to do a zigzag part, check out that video. It fits very secure on me. I don't feel like my wig is loose or like it's too bulky or anything like that in the back. I feel like it's just perfect for me. So like I said before, if you guys are interested in this unit, go ahead and check out the description box down below. Shout out to Elva Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending over this unit. I want to give a big thank you to all of you guys for watching today's video, and I'll see all of you guys in my next one. Bye.